Hi girls and boys, I'm again here with another video which talks about how you can heal your moon in your horoscope. Not only in your horoscope but otherwise also how you can get benefit from the moon. Let's learn in this video. While learning astrology, I came across this term that moon is the master of our mind. So, in this world, everything is manipulated by our mind. So, if we can master our mind, if we can have control on our mind through moon, we can actually get benefited and can solve so many issues which come in our lives. Moon represents our mind, our thoughts, our mother, water in our body, or water which we are using in our daily life. Everything is associated with moon in our horoscope and otherwise. Let's see how to find out that if a person is having a weak moon. The person will cry a lot, will have very high and low emotional imbalance, won't be able to express and always feel unhappy, will get carried away easily, react without thinking, wants to learn everything but very fast. The person will always feel irritated, tired he'll be always looking tired, will have negative thoughts whatsoever. In astrological terms, the moon is connected with the emotional body, what brings us joy and fulfillment. Viewed as a feminine planet, she reflects how we feel about ourselves and how we deal with our relationships and respond to situations. It refers to our inner world and deep pattern of thinking and feeling embedded in the unconscious. Let's get into science to understand why our moods changes as and when we have full moon or we have a no moon night. The gravitational pull of the moon on the waters of the earth is what creates the tides. At the new and full moon, the pull it exerts is at its strongest point. This is because the sun, the moon, and the earth line up in a relatively straight line. The sun's gravitational pull adds to that of the moon, giving us the highest and lowest tides. At the full moon, there is an additional brightness to the night sky. Living in cities with electricity means we may not notice this extra luminosity. However, the fact is that the moon is illuminating both the night and our auric fields. Energetically, we can look at this as a magnification of what is going on within us. The full moon can feel like a bit of a disruptive time, resulting in more erratic behavior, tension, or tiredness. You may find yourself being anxious or emotionally upset. Research has shown that we actually sleep less on the full moon, so it's important to ensure you care for your body. There was a survey done to check if a full moon makes you tired. So the participants who reported, they said that they felt tired right around the full moon. On average, the sleep quality was about 20% worse during the full moon. Does a full moon affect pain? That was also checked. So it was in 2011, a study was published in the Journal of Urology. They found that kidney stone pain increased significantly during a full moon. And in another study, it was seen that English researchers found that generally more patients were admitted to hospital with urological emergencies during this time because moon is related to water. Now coming to the part that what you can do to soften your or help your moon to be little soothing to you. So the foremost thing you can do is donate white sweet on Mondays to someone who's needy. So if it's not possible, you cannot make a sweet or you cannot buy and give, you can even donate sugar, milk and rice to someone who's needy. Even to a person who comes to collect garbage can be given this sweet to on Monday. Second very good remedy which you can do is you can pour very little milk on shivling. So preferably the milk should be chilled milk on shivling, and touch that poured milk with your finger and put a tilak on your forehead. You have to put a dot on your Ajna chakra. Basically, you don't need to put half a kg, 1 kg milk. It's just a little bit of milk will do. Just to do this much, that it should touch that shivling, and you can put that as a dot on your Ajna Chakra. When you apply milk on your Ajna Chakra, you bring your moon from any other house of your horoscope to the first house, which is very good for your placement. So you heal your moon in your horoscope. Now coming to the best remedy, as moon is placed on Shiva's forehead, do Mahamrityunjay mantra japam every day, at least 108 times a day. It pleases moon when you pray Lord Shiva. So that's how you can even heal your moon in your horoscope.